Welcome back to Aqua Platycodon. In this video, we're diving into real-life scams that took place in the aftermath of Hurricane Helene in September and October 2024. Natural disasters like this bring out the best in some, but unfortunately, they also attract scammers who take advantage of the chaos. Today, we'll walk through 3 notable cases to show you how these scams work and how you can protect yourself. Let's start with Asheville, North Carolina, where a group of scammers posing as FEMA-authorized contractors targeted homeowners. These contractors claimed they were there to help with tree removal and collected $280 up front per household. The worst part? They never came back. This case was shared by local community members and reported through various public sources, including Grice Connect. Next, in Georgia, we saw cases of price gouging. After Governor Brian Kemp issued a state of emergency, some businesses took advantage of the situation by drastically increasing prices on essential goods like gasoline and other recovery materials. This story comes from the Georgia Consumer Protection Division, which was actively monitoring and investigating these cases. If you believe you're being overcharged, make sure to report it to local authorities. Finally, in Charlotte, North Carolina, a homeowner paid $5,000 up front for urgent roof repairs after the storm. Unfortunately, the contractor disappeared halfway through the project, leaving the home exposed to further damage. These kinds of scams were highlighted by the North Carolina Consumer Protection Division, urging residents to verify licenses before agreeing to any home repair services. As you can see, these scams follow a pattern of exploiting disaster victims at their most vulnerable moments. The key to avoiding these traps is to always verify the credentials of anyone offering services, avoid paying large sums up front, and report any suspicious behavior. Don't let scammers take advantage of your situation. Stay informed and stay safe. Thanks for watching Aqua Platycodon. We'll continue to bring you more tips and real-world examples to help protect you from scams. Be sure to check the description below for more details and see you in the next video.